Hello everyone, I am Eugenia Alcalá and I am the founder of Dash Venezuela. Today I am in the company of Rolando Weill. He is one of the representatives for Krip, the first smartphone in Venezuela that is preloaded with Dash digital cash. So Rolando, how are you?
Good, and you? How are you?
Very, very excited because today Krip was a sponsor of our 11th conference of Dash in Venezuela, and we are really, really excited about Krip and what it brings to Venezuela. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, we are one of the authorized distributors for Krip. We're very excited about Krip being launched here in Venezuela. It's kind of like the perfect storm of ideas and like the different sets of teams that are behind this project that is going to make it a successful project, and that includes having Dash along with Krip being accepted as a payment tool, having us as distributors all over the Venezuelan territory, and having this backing of marketing behind Krip, behind Dash, helping take Krip to the next level and compete with some of the biggest brands that have presence nowadays in Venezuela.
For those of you who don't know Krip, I told you it's the first smartphone preloaded with Dash Digital Cash in Venezuela. It is already in the stores in Venezuela, and today was the launch of the brand here in Caracas, Venezuela. So they participated in our conference and they participated in Dash City for the first time. They thought they were coming only to show the phones. What really happened, Rolando? Tell us.
Okay, so when we got here, we thought this was more of a marketing conference where we were going to show people about the phone, and then when Dash City kicked in, we started just selling all the phones we brought here. It was a really great experience for us because we didn't have enough experience about Dash before. I had used it personally, but as a company, we had never accepted Dash as a payment form. Now we will. And today was just a successful day in general. A lot of people here, everyone's very excited, not only to use Dash in Dash City, but to spread the word across the country.
Well, we are very happy. We think this is really a successful day, a really happy day for Venezuela, for Dash, for Krip, for DataCell, for everyone involved, because this is a before and after point, a before and after moment. This is a very, very important moment, and we are very glad to share it with you. Rolando, thank you very much, and all the team of Krip. And well, this is another step for making of Venezuela the first Dash nation. See you later.